Welcome friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. In this captivating video, we embark on a delectable adventure through the enchanting world of truffle delights. Join us as we explore and compare various types of truffle oils, preserves, and seasonings, unveiling the secrets of their distinct flavors and origins. Among the remarkable truffle oils we'll be delving into, black truffle oil takes the spotlight. Known for its ubiquity, black truffles are more commonly found compared to their coveted white counterparts. The ability to commercially cultivate black truffles makes them increasingly popular worldwide. As we venture deeper into this immersive experience, we discover that black truffle oil possesses a bold and robust flavor that remains unyielding even in the presence of heat. Conversely, white truffles are best savored in their natural raw form and offer a uniquely pungent and intense taste. In our culinary exploration, we'll not only appreciate the distinctive characteristics of black and white truffles, but also dive into a plethora of other truffle-infused delights. From the elegance of white truffle oil to the allure of English truffle oil, each variation presents its own essence and allure. Additionally, we will savor the excellence of truffle zest, indulgent truffle preserves, and the exquisite truffle salt, unveiling a world of exquisite flavors that enhance any dish they grace. Truffles, whether black or white, hold an extraordinary power to elevate the taste profile of any culinary masterpiece. As a bona fide food aficionado, I personally find them to be an indispensable flavor enhancer, incorporating them into my cooking endeavors with absolute delight. We're going to be trying all this fancy shit out with some good old tater tots. Start with the white truffle oil. White truffle oil is more rare than black truffle oil. It's not available enough to be commercially cultivated. It only grows in 4 places in the world, one spot in France, northern Italy, Croatia, and parts of Slovenia. Black truffle oil, commercially cultivated around the world. So let's try it out. White truffle oil is often more pungent. Some people find it almost offensive. I'm telling you, it's an amazing food enhancer. You can cook the black truffle oil. The white, it's best served raw. So we're just doing it straight up, trying it on some potato, which it sounds like a joke, but it actually is a good way to try this stuff. Let's see. Definitely more pungent than a lot of the commercial truffle oils I've found. Great flavor. I mean, if I were to eat a plain tater tot, it would be boring. It would be nothing. Very good. I probably should have gone the other way and started with something I knew was less pungent. I don't know anything about English truffle oil. We're going to give this a shot. I see that it's way darker in color than the other two. The other two look almost like a diluted olive oil. This looks, I don't know, very, very yellowish. Here we go. Wow. Different. Has some similarities, but I'm guessing it's a black truffle oil. Not quite as pungent as the white. Good flavor, very good. Overall, and trying it on a potato-based thing like that, not too different. Let's move on. Let's move on to the black truffle oil. Still a very robust flavor. Still bold. Still all just amazing enhancers to anything you put them on. It's more similar than I would have expected, but strongest, kind of a mid-range, weakest, and I wouldn't even call it weak. If you were to just try that for the first time, you might, make a face or something, but it's good. On to our truffle seasonings. We're gonna start with tried and true truffle salt. Sometimes you don't want to add liquid to any dish you're making. Salt's a good option. Obviously, salt on a tater tot's very good. Truffle salt, amazing. Truffle zest. I'm new to this one, but I can tell you when I opened it, hit me hard. I know it's going to have some great flavor. Solid. Yeah. I can't think of one thing that would be bad to put on top of. Next one's a little different. Truffle Parmesan and black garlic seasoning. A little bit different because it's kind of like a blend of other seasonings with the truffle in it. Delicious on that though, wow. All these are game changers. So many things you could do. You could take so much boring food and make it good with this. Because they're so different things, I really can't say I have a favorite. It's just more versatility for you to use. Let's move on to the truffle preserves. This might be the fanciest tater tot on earth. Gotta get out tiny tongs for it. Let's really get in there. That's the one. Yep. The straight up slices, the truffle preserves, man. Yeah, that's exceptional. I would love to like just get a slice of pizza and like put that all over. It'd be a very expensive slice of pizza. Worth a go, guys. Worth a go. Anyways, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to not miss out on anything we're doing. Thanks a lot for watching.